They expand our means of being able to express ourselves. But if they're controlled by only big technology, you won't be able to understand them. Closed AI has been our history. Facebook and Google and the majority of companies that have made money from the internet have done it via closed AI. We're currently following the old paradigm of these models being closed, both for safety reasons, as they would call it, and also financial reasons. They're expensive to train. Millions, if not tens of millions of dollars. And the companies want a financial return. There's only a handful that can build them. Models that can read and write and sing and create. They expand our means of being able to express ourselves. But if they're controlled by only big technology, you won't be able to understand them. You won't be able to interpret them. They'll only be accessible by the few. So that will increase the digital divide for these new information superhighways. And then also it will stifle innovation. The most secure and safe operating systems in the world that run most of our infrastructure are based on Linux, which is an open source system. We've shown time and time again that open systems are more robust, resilient, and safe than closed systems, which often become brittle and fragile. So if we want to focus on the good parts, we need to make it accessible by making it open. If we want a more resilient system, we also need to make it open. And that's why we stepped in to provide an open source alternative to these closed systems by large companies that are just entrenching themselves more.